Bolinhos de chuva are fried dumplings made of flour and eggs. They are ancient and have many different versions and even legends. The cool thing is that the same recipe can, with a few modifications, become several other delicacies, such as cakes, pancakes, omelets, cookies and even bread rolls. In this recipe, the little cookies look like raindrops. How cool! Does it look like a drop? Laughs. Or rather, several drops or rain of sweet dumplings. More liquid dough. Throw the dough into the hot fat in the form of raindrops. Hot milk, sprinkle cinnamon. Beat milk. If you prefer, add more flour and make bigger dumplings. Deep fry. After fry them in hot oil, drain on paper and serve. Vegetable milk peanut. Strain the milk and twist. Milk, peanut. Save the ground peanut for new recipes. 1 cup of peanuts. 1 liter of water. Sweeten it you prefer.
Então verei o que Deus preparou para mim. Nem olhos viram, ouvidos ouviram, nem homem nenhum conseguiu decifrar o que Deus faz na vida de um justo que em oração clama ao Pai.